All right, the Finger Lakes, another very easy one to spot. Um, and what they really are, let's go back to U-shaped valleys. These are all U-shaped valleys from the glacier running north-south, plowing their way into the Allegheny Plateau here. And then these valleys just hydrologically have filled up with water. And again, that Valley Heads moraine has kind of plugged up the southern end. They've backfilled with water, and they drain slow enough to the north that they've remained as lakes. Um, if you've never been here, again, as you get a little older, you can go do it. Ithaca at the south end of one, very nice town. Auburn, Skinny Atlas, Atisco at the north end of some of them. What's this guy over here? This is Canandaigua, I think. Oh, Geneva. Yeah, Geneva and the Canandaigua's over here. So what are they? They're very long, but also pretty narrow lakes. If you got to one, I mean, if you're a decent swimmer, you could probably swim across it. You know, some areas it's a little bit wider. I don't know what the widest point would be. But down here, I mean, when you're there, you can see from one end to the other pretty easily. I don't know if one of the roads, if we can do the little street view, dude. Where we get close over here. Yeah. Oh, there's trees in the way. Oh, trees. Anyway, you can see from one end to the other like easily. I mean, you could picture swimming it if you're a decent swimmer, but you'd have to be like a very good swimmer to swim the length of one, like world class swimmer. Hey, we got measurement tools. Let's use them. So 2 miles across. It's a little longer than I might have guessed, but something like there's 15. I know I'm being a really rough estimate here. Another 17. So 30, 40 miles long, slender, narrow lakes that fill U-shaped valleys. They're also very deep. The bottoms of most of these are lower than sea level, so they're hundreds of feet deep. The water stays very cold because there's so little surface compared to the volume of water. I went to summer camp and this one, Skinny Atlas Lake, like way down here, and you had to swim every day. It was torture. The water was freezing. Maybe it was this thing right here. And they'd throw you in. But think about how much sunlight can hit the surface versus these being hundreds of feet deep. They stay pretty darn cold throughout the whole entire year. So yeah, there's Finger Lakes. Now it really is a U-shaped valley, so it's like all this stuff, right? So we'll still say it's erosional, long, narrow lakes, beautiful. Go there when you can start driving around with cool gorges that run into them all from river erosion going down into them. You find them in the Finger Lakes region. Lo and behold, they're pretty unique. And characteristics, it's basically a water-filled, U-shaped valley. But check them out. They're cool. All right, we're moving on.